Bujugakanawia, and welcome to Ojibwe Word of the Day. Today's word is Niimi'idiiwigamig, and Niimi'idiiwigamig means a dance hall. If you break the word down, Niimi pertains to dancing, Idi means with one another, and Wigamig is the root that pertains to a structure or building. So Niimi'idiiwigamig, this one happens to be in Mille Lacs, which is an amazing community full of wonderful people who have kept their drums alive in spite of incredible pressure. And over at White Earth, they lost their ceremonial drums for a period of time. And the folks from White Earth came down to Mille Lacs and apprenticed to the elders and culture carriers here and were able to revitalize the drum ceremony and eventually get a Niimi'idiiwigamig of their own. Miigwech. Miigwech. Wagosh indigenous cause.
Gijigukwe indigu.
And that was
Ojibwe Word of the Day.